In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable pop-ups on your Google Chrome browser. So if you're receiving too many pop-ups or redirects on your Google Chrome browser, then it means that the pop-up settings was turned on. So we want to go ahead and turn this off. To do so, just go to settings here and then tap on settings. And from here, just search for site settings. And you can see the site settings is here. And then scroll down until you see the content section. And below it, you can see we have an option called pop-ups and redirects. Tap on it to open. Now you can see under pop-ups and redirects, it is turned on that sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. So to turn it off, just go ahead and click on this. Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Now from here, you will never again receive pop-ups or redirects on your Google Chrome browser. So that's how you disallow or disable pop-ups on your Google Chrome browser. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.